What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Got a 2006 Dodge Ram 1500 for you. This is my boy Dewey that works with me. He just picked this up over the weekend. Let's check it out. It's a pretty clean old truck for an 06. I think it's got 200,000 on it. Smile, Dewey, you're on candid camera. I was wanting to film your truck. How's that tooth? Hurting? Here, I'll bring you a key in a minute. Check her out. She's a clean old truck. Yeah, man, not bad, not bad. Good clean truck. I mean, it's got 200K, but shoot, you can't beat it. Dude's been driving an old school, I think it was a 2000 model Dakota. Let's do a start up here. Oh, shit. Man, good running old truck. I wonder what it's got under the hood. Let's see if we got some cold air. We should. Oh yeah, nice cold air. Clean old truck. Not bad. Not bad. Got decent tires on it. I mean, they're not new. It's got a few scratches on it. I have no idea if it's not a Hemi. I ain't got a clue what's in it. Hang on. 3.7 v-6. Look at that little baby motor. I figured it'd be a V8. Runs good though. Runs good and quiet. Sounds good. Look how they put these radiators in here crooked on these Dodges. Everything's cockeyed. Weird. Good running old truck though. Not bad for the money. I think you gave a couple of grand for it. Yeah, it's got a few little bruises here and there. A couple of little dings, scratches. But overall, pretty clean old truck. Got a Tractor Supply toolbox. Bed looks good, not too scratched up. Man, that thing revs right up. Huh. Pretty sweet old truck. We'll get a test drive on it later. I was just wanting to catch it during break time here. Shall return. Let's take this 2006 Dodge Ram 1500 with the 3.7 Magnum. Let's take it for a little ride. My boy Dewey told me I could drive it. Oh, it's got him some garbage. Alright. This is a clean old truck. Clean old truck. Man, fires right to life. it's a responsive little motor. I mean, it's kind of rev happy, you know? I don't know what kind of power this thing makes. What would a 3.7 from 2006, what kind of power would that make? Maybe 200 horses? I don't have a clue. Y'all comment below. Tell me. I need to Google it and look it up. But it seems pretty responsive overall. Oh yeah, this truck's a tight old truck. Huge, yeah. Put the winder up. Oh, Yamaha Zuma 125, I would say. He was going too fast to be a 50cc. I love those little scooters. I had one years ago. Oh yeah, this truck feels good. Get us some AC going here. Man, ride's good, solid, no rattles, front end's tight. Job's much better than a 200K would suggest. I imagine it probably spent a good bit of time on the road. Maybe that's a lot of freeway miles. Man, look at the cars. Look at the cars. They're just pouring out trucks. We're gonna go for it. Huh. You know what? I didn't half bad. I mean, that wasn't even full throttle. I was only like 3/4. I mean, I wouldn't want to tow anything with this motor. But for this 4-door 2-wheel drive, that's plenty of power. Really is. I mean, it just cruises right along, 65. Yeah, this is a neat old truck. Not bad for $3 grand. I mean, I don't think so. I mean, it's clean old truck. Get us one more of them acceleration runs. She's a little bit of a screamer. But not too bad. I mean, this is a big truck. But I must say, if it were me, I would definitely want the Hemi. I would say the 4.7, but gosh, I've heard the 4.7 is so unreliable as far as needing engine replacement. But I've also heard the same thing about this 3.7. I've heard it's not the best motor. Comment below, y'all tell me. But like I said, for $3,000, this isn't bad. This is a good knock-around truck. Not a ton of power, but will do whatever you need to do as far as hauling the garbage to the dump, moving a piece of furniture. You get my drift. Y'all like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate y'all watching. And y'all have a good day. We'll see y'all next time. Peace.